Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful 3D looking paper cutout effect in Adobe Illustrator. Let me go to File and create a new common file. Create. First you need to choose this pencil tool and draw a random shape like this. Again, draw a similar shape inside it. Let me do it again. You can repeat this cycle a few more times like this. And that's it. Next, you can select all these shapes and go to Pathfinder tool, and here you can see we have this option divide. Click over it, and now these shapes have been divided. Next, select everything, right click and ungroup these shapes. Now we'll choose these shapes one by one to give them different colors. Let me select the last one, and you can go to fill option, and here we have this particular option that looks like white. And now select the second shape, click on fill option and give this particular color to the second shape, and repeat this for the rest of the shapes. As you can see, as we move from left to right over here, the black tints gets on increasing and our shapes gets darker and darker. This time we'll choose this particular one. Now select this shape, go to the fourth option. Now we are only left with two shapes, and they would take on even darker shade of this particular tint. Next, click on this color and let's choose the last one and give it the darker shade, and there we are. Next, we'll select all these shapes, go to stroke and make its stroke 0. Again, select everything, go to effect option, and here we can see stylize option and click on drop shadow. Just put in these values as you can see right over here and click on OK, and there we are. Now click on this second shape, right click, and in the arrange option click on send to bake. Similarly, choose the second shape, go to arrange option and send it to bake as well, and repeat this for the rest of the shapes like this. And now we are left only with this last shape. Send it to bake, and there we are. Now you can see how beautiful this cutout effect looks to be. This was so simple to create. And that's it for today. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.